Second, disassemble and installation of concrete piston. First, the steps of replacing concrete piston. Open the water tank cover and remove the positioning sleeve. Clean the water tank and piston. Remove the dirt or mud. Close the ball valve of main cylinder non-rod chamber. Close the ball valve of main cylinder rod chamber. Operate manual switch of main cylinder and move the concrete piston to the water tank. Stop the engine and remove the bolts and the hot clamp. Remove the piston afterward. Remove 4 nose screws from piston by Allen key. Disassemble the piston assembly. Remove piston and guiding ring. Clear the concrete remains on the piston assembly. Replace the piston and guiding ring. Please pay attention to installation direction of piston and guiding ring. The piston lip should face toward the outside. Installation of piston assembly. Grab the piston assembly by piston clamp. Put the piston assembly back to the water tank with its flange end towards concrete cylinder. Turn the piston assembly 180 degrees. Install it on the main cylinder rod flange. Hold the piston with a crowbar to avoid piston dropping into the concrete cylinder. Install the piston clamp back to the connection flange and tighten the bolts. Grazing 2 to 3 mm coating around the surface of the piston. Use hook spanner to rotate the piston 180 degrees and grease it. Repeat above-mentioned steps to replace another piston. After replacement, open all the ball valves, start the engine, inching the piston to check if any abnormal voice comes out. If not, install the accessory. Second, precautions to prolong piston service life. First, the water in the water tank should be replaced regularly. Please mind that the water level should be lower than the main cylinder rod. Otherwise, the grease of hydraulic oil above the water cannot fully enter concrete cylinder for lubrication. If the water becomes muddy or the mortar causes abnormal voice, inspect the piston immediately. Second, it's strictly prohibited that concrete level lower than mixing shaft and hopper. Avoid the empty suction damaging the piston. Third, ensure the water temperature is less than 65 degrees Celsius. Higher temperature will cause faster wearing of concrete piston. If higher than 65 degrees, cool it with fresh water or turn down the pumping displacement. Fourth, grease the concrete piston during displacement or inspection to prolong its service life.